I'm so happy to meet the managing committee members of the All India Old Temple Renovation Trust, and so glad to hear about the wonderful work they've been doing, including in our own village, Petamangalaram. They have renovated one village, but that is only one very small example. They have renovated many temples all over India, and more of them are in Telangana state. But they are working in other countries as well, in Sri Lanka, in Thailand, in the Middle East, and this is really required because other than the religion aspect, we have to retain our heritage and culture as well. The other aspect is the spirituality itself. So, spirituality, our heritage and culture, all three are restored by restoring our old temples. And I congratulate them and I wish them well and I extend all my support whatever I can do.